This 2023 Winnebago HIKE 100H1316FB is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Medford, Oregon 97504 and is offered for sale by Johnson RV Medford. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Winnebago and features a EVERGLADE interior, sleeps 3, and 31 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunkhouse, outdoor kitchen. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.